Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I'm bringing you the last update on the fires, and we are clear as a bell today. Blue sky everywhere. They are making progress. The Beachy Creek has gotten bigger, but they're making progress on it. Sounds weird, it's kind of backwards there, but the rain did help a lot. And later on the end of the week, we're supposed to get a lot more rain. So I think they're going to get it. It is 72 or 3 here. About 73. Somewhere in there. But yeah, it's beautiful today, guys. No more smoke. And I'm loving it. Thanks for hanging in there with us, guys. Haven't been able to do much on the trailer. The sickness that I've been going through is kicking my behind. But yeah, it's beautiful now. You can see clear across. I mean, there's no more smoke at all. It is gone. Alright guys, thanks for hanging in there with me, folks. Yeah, I've been able to work on the trailer because I've been feeling so bad, but hopefully that gets better too. I got to clean up the rest of the junk. I got the driveway cleaned up. I'm going to clean up all this, clean up all that, clean up all that. Yeah, let me show you. I got my hair cut today, guys. Oh, let me get out of the sun. Yeah, cut off. I like it that way sometimes. Now I had to cut this. It'll be all golden. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.